Shezar, I welcome you to India Now. We've been having discussions on Mission Milk. Before you, your brothers came in here and spoke about the concept and the operations and all. What I want to know from you is, how do you fund this whole exercise? How do you monetize this?
Definitely. Thank you for having us to begin with, Mr. Iqbal Bhai, on India Now. It's a huge opportunity for us. Basically, so the funding, how we started off in the initial few days, it was all self-funded. So we realized that if we want to start this, we have to start it ourselves rather than...
Seed funding came from you?
It was from us. It was from the three of us. Then we approached our parents, and then like that we started moving to more outer circles. We went to our uncles, aunts, cousins, friends. So like that we would keep expanding to different circles of our friends and family. So, and we got a very good response from these people. So because of that, from 60 liters what we started from our own seed funding, we were able to go up to 200 liters with just friends and family involved. And that's when we realized that this initiative is actually catching a lot of people's attention and people don't mind. And the other thing is that it's just 37 rupees for 1 liter of milk, that's it. So people didn't hesitate. So we've gotten donations of 30 rupees, 37, 3000. So it didn't matter to us, because either ways we know we can utilize it to the maximum. So from 200 liters, that's when we realized that, okay, we need to make it a little more large scale. We need to have more accountability and transparency of our funding. So we started a fundraiser page on Millap. So Millap is a platform where you can start your own fundraisers, and they verify you and they check whether you're actually doing the work. They give you an account.
What is the criteria to...
So you have to just apply, you have to give them your mission and vision of your, basically of your fundraiser, and they get in touch with you. They make sure you have some proof of what you're doing, how you're carrying it forward. So we have to provide bills, we have to provide footage of what we're doing.
And on a daily basis?
No, they just do an initial verification, and then every 2-3 weeks they'll check up on you to make sure everything is going fine.
Does somebody from their group come and inspect this?
Yes. We have a campaign manager. Okay. So this campaign manager is in touch with me throughout, and they keep giving me tips of, okay, how can you help your campaign spread? Where can you share it? How can you share it? How do you get more people to get involved in this and things like that? So they've been a great help. And because of Millap, it's made getting in funds very easy, because they accept any mode of payment, whether it's Paytm, GPay.
Okay, so how is this money, routed from Millap to the vendor ultimately?
Sure. So we have two accounts in Millap. One is for local funding, which is in rupees, and one is for international funding, which is in USD. So we've gotten funding even from abroad. So basically what we have to do, if we need to withdraw money from Millap, we have to give them a bill and accountability. So we have to stack up all our bills of what we've been getting from the milk dairies, provide it to them, and based on that they release the funding to us. And I just want to make this clear that every single rupee that we've gotten in from our funding is only for the procurement of milk. None of it goes in any overhead costs. Everything else is backed by Mission Milk.
And who takes care of those overheads or whatever hidden costs?
As of now, the three of us take care of it, whether it's fuel or masks, gloves, any safety equipment, transportation, all that we are taking care of.
Do you need to pay these volunteers?
So far we've been gracious enough to get such generous volunteers who haven't asked us for much, but we provide all the safety gear to them, we provide transportation to them, and they go out and do the distribution for us. And the way we've tied up with volunteers is that we haven't called out people sitting at home to come and help us because of the whole lockdown and it's not safe. So we've tied up with individuals who've already been doing relief work, who've been on the ground.
How do you feel about this crowdfunding thing? How's the response been?
Alhamdulillah, it's been very good.
Average or overwhelming?
It has its ups and downs, but so far we've had a very, very good response.
You're happy with that?
We are very happy with it.
How much money have you able to generate?
As of today, we have around 3.5 lakhs on Millap, which is almost near to our halfway goal, and which is why we're trying to spread the word even more so that more people get to know and more people donate. And so we've coined this term called Milk Angels, which is basically anyone who wants to be a part of Mission.
Mentioned
yeah, exactly. So it doesn't have to be that you have to donate or that you have to tell your friend. It can be anything. You can even just come and give us information like, see, I'm living in this part of Bangalore and I know that these families need milk. Can you please provide milk to them? Or you can be like, hey, I know someone who can provide milk at a cheaper price.
Any kind of advice, help is most welcome.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So what is your ultimate target?
Like Zishan said, right now we're at 500 liters a day. Our target is to hit 1000 liters a day.
So do you have enough reserves, or are you still looking at
we are still looking at fundings. What we have.
Would you want to say something to the viewers regarding funds, or anything regarding Mission
Definitely. So we are where we are right now only because of all our viewers and our donors. If it wasn't for your generosity, we wouldn't be at this position. And we urge you to please help us moving forward as well, as it's a daily initiative, and we can definitely use all the help that we can get.
Milk? Okay, thank you, Shahzar. Thank you for coming here and
No
giving
problem.
us so much of information about what Mission Milk is. I hope the viewers who are listening to this will come forward and start donating and ensure that maximum children get coverage in terms of supply of milk. इन नौजवानों को लॉकडाउन में एक चॉइस था कि ये अपने घर में औरों की तरह घर पे बैठे मूवीज देखें या टाइम वेस्ट करें या कोई भी इनके दूसरे मसरूफात में लगे रहें, मगर इन्होंने ये सेलेक्ट किया कि हम लोग घर के बाहर निकलेंगे, कुछ सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ करेंगे। और इनकी नीयत की वजह से इन्होंने आगे बढ़ के जो पहला कदम उठाए, इनके साथ इनके भाई, इनके रिश्तेदार, इनके दोस्तों ने जुड़ा है और एक बहुत सोसाइटी के बहुत लोगों ने इनके साथ जुड़ा है, इनके हौसलों को मजबूत किया है, इनकी हौसला अफजाई की है, जिसके चलते इनको काफ़ी सारा पैसा भी आया है और बहुत सारा गाइडेंस भी मिला है और इन्होंने दे हैव क्रॉस्ड मेनी माइलस्टोन्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिंग दिस। आप सब ने मिशन मिल्क के बारे में, मिशन मिल्क की जुबानी इन तीनों भाइयों से सुनी। तो इसी के साथ हम आज की गुफ्तगू ख़त्म करते हैं। शब बख़ैर।